So looking forward, you make more. You have a lot of materials there. So next, let's go into make another another design for the ring. Another design I will go into try. Also a very easy one. Yeah, so very beautiful, and on the sunshine, the picture so bling bling. Yeah. So here we're going to make another one, the ring. Here, fold and fold. Repeat. So it's make a spring like this. Okay, make it like this, and we will be do this the wire fold the loop. Yeah, so fold it a loop. Length of the wire, this one we don't need to measure the length of the wire. You are just wrap it one size smaller or one size thin. Yeah, at the ring you need. For example, you want size 8. You wrap it at 7.5. Then it come out the piece you want. And just this part, put the plier at the middle, and this side, you need to keep about 5 millimeter to let it keep the loop at the middle. Then you can see why I put the plier at the middle, then here 5, because we need to make a loop at the end. Here we bend it here this way, and the another one here. It's like this. Okay. This is the way, you see. And then we will use the piece of the wire to wrap the two loop together. Okay. To loop together. Use the wire to wrap. 1 millimeter wire, dear. Yeah, 1 millimeter wire. This actually, if you feel it is okay, then you can just wear it as a ring this way. Just wear here as a ring. Yeah. We wear it here. So it's this way, and or we can change. Here I'm going to change another. If you feel nice, like here, you can make it in this way, and I'm here just to lock the wire 3 pieces together. Okay. Wrapper. Let go tight here. Wrapper and the wrapper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Tight. And this one the same. Thank you, my friends, for your nice gift, 台湾发哥. Thank you. Yeah. We are wrap here. Just the purpose to make here let the piece of the ring not going to be out of shape, not going to be move. Okay. Thank you, Riri. Okay. very simple ring today. Okay, here it's just lock it so it's not going to move, and this side we will be going to put the piece of the beads here. Then we will be take them open. Okay, then we can rub the beads on the top. Yeah, let's see. Let's rub the beads. I'm going to put the small cute tube. Yeah. Small cute tube beads. I selected to use this nature stone. Then let's use the wire 0.4. So you see the back is here. This is the top, and I'm not going to wrap all around. I just wrap the middle. Yeah, I just only wrap the middle. Middle several pieces. If you don't have the tube beads, you can use the round beads. That's no problem. Yeah, round beads also work. Not must be the tube. You can use round beads three pieces. Here, we're going to fold it here. Yeah. Tight. And this one. Here. Then another bead come. Here. Wrap it 2 times. Yes, square beads also work, cube shape. Okay, here you will find that the beads, because it's tube shape, and when we wrap it will be one wire back, one wire from the bottom, one wire from the top, so it cannot be very smooth and flat. If we want to be flat, I am going to try another way to make it flat. I test another way. If it can be make all the beads be all on the top of the ring, so it's going to be a try. Yeah, let's try it. How to do it? Yeah. Continue, use the wire. Thank you so much. Thank you for your nice help, Thousand Crab. Okay, so I started here by the short side wire. Here, and the wrapper. Okay. And if we want to keep the beads all on the top, let's see. Yes, we are all international shipping. 50% in my shop is the returning customer. So if you are first time here, you can just try, yeah, just try the order, test order first. You will not be disappointed. Okay. Here, let me see. We tie it one time. Okay. Second. This is tube beads, like a 图画石. I don't know how to see this stone in English. It's a nature stone. Yeah, nature color. Okay, here, then we wrap one time. And again, tube beads and it's nature. So here the back is just the wire, and the top wrap one time on here, this way, and again. Beads, the beads here, up, this way. Tight. And the wrapper. We can put one more beads. Wrapper. Picture stone. Yes, picture stone. Yeah. Here. Last one. Last one. Tight. Okay. Back is here, front is here. Finish. Katie, actually you can try something when you try it's not so much harder as you imagine.